So you want to get your textures out of Painter and into Lumberyard. I got you, fam. Open up Painter. Make sure you have your PBR specular gloss template chosen because Lumberyard chooses a specular workflow. Got your model in. Get that bad boy textured. Go to File, Export Textures. For your config, make sure you choose the Amazon Lumberyard. This is why your template is so important, because if you choose any other template outside of the specular glossiness, you will get an error when you export these out. Also, very good habit to point towards your project so the asset processor can process it as soon as you export. Now back in the engine, open up the material editor and create a new material. You can see I have one here. And we're going to take those textures we exported and just plug them in over here. Once you do that, and then you adjust any other settings that you might need or want, go ahead and save it. Create an entity for your model via the mesh component on said entity. On the material override on that entity, add the material that we just created. And voila! We have a new model via Substance Painter. That was under 2 minutes. Dang, I'm good.